Hi loves, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I am Alicia, and if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for coming back. So I'm back with another hair video, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you my wash day routine on my short, thick 4C hair using all Cantu products. So if you guys want to see that, definitely stick around and continue watching this video. For my wash day routine, I wash my hair at least every 2 weeks and deep condition every 2 weeks as well. To start off my routine, I wet my hair first, then I had my shampoo of choice. For my shampoo today, I'm using Cantu Shea Butter Cleansing Cream Shampoo. It has great ingredients in it such as shea butter, which is great for preventing breakage, moisturizing, and reducing scalp irritation, and it is sulfate free. If you have dry or frizzy hair, you should consider using a sulfate free shampoo and conditioner because it maintains the natural oils on the scalp and hair, which ultimately leaves your hair with more moisture. I apply it directly to my scalp and massage my scalp to help with circulation and then rinse it out. I repeat this process at least 3 times every time when I'm washing my hair, because the first time you pretty much just get rid of all the dirt from your hair. Second time is pretty much just getting rid of what you didn't get rid of the first time. And the third time, by the time you reach the third time, your hair should be nice and clean. After I shampooed my hair, I'm going in with the Cantu Deep Treatment Mask. After applying the deep conditioner, I go in with my detangling brush from ends to root to prevent less shedding. I'll make sure to link the brush in the description box, so if you guys want, you can definitely go ahead and check that out. Then I go in with a steam cap to put over my head and leave it on for 30 minutes, then I rinse it out. Anywhere you go, anywhere you go, you belong. One thing I must commend Cantu on is the smell of their products. These products smells so good. Like, I really love that about them. And also, if you guys notice, the shampoo, it really suds quickly, so you might want to be light-handed on that. Same thing with the deep conditioner. I went in with a heavy hand because at this point it was my first time using the products, but at the time of voicing this video, I've used the product quite a few times after this and I'm in love with it. For my conditioner, I use Cantu Sulfate Free Hydrating Cream Conditioner, which also has shea butter in it, which is also great for natural hair as well as colored hair, as it did mention on the bottle. After I applied my conditioner, I went in again with my detangling brush and detangled my hair before I rinsed it out. The last product I use is my Cantu Argan Oil Leave-In Conditioner after I finish washing my hair, which helps to protect my hair from damage. So if you guys did find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and of course subscribe. Until then, it's your girl Ollie. Go and make up yourself.